Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to go camping in your backyard. Camping in your backyard is a great idea for a staycation or if you're in quarantine. So you just set up your tent in your backyard and then you have a really fun evening of camping, maybe making s'mores and having fun in general. Now we're done doing the tent, let's go and get cooking. So now we're going to start barbecuing. This morning I prepared some kebabs for us to barbecue. As you can see, they look very nice. And we're going to be putting them on our barbecue and praying they taste very good. I hope they do. So these are looking really good. Hopefully soon they'll be ready to eat because I am starving. Now it's marshmallow time. If you want to learn how to make the perfect s'more, click the link above. Well, I'm exhausted. This is the end of the video. Good night.